Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Saturday, November 4th, 2023. It is 12:42 and 27 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, breast cancer. So let's do it here. Mechanics of breast cancer, metastasis, discovery, offering target for treatment. Date October 27, 2023. Source, Penn State. The most lethal feature of any cancer is metastasis, the spread of cancer cells throughout the body. New research reveals the mechanics behind how breast cancer cells may invade healthy tissues. The discovery showing that a potent protein called dynein powers the movement of cancer cells in soft tissue models offers new critical targets against metastasis and has the potential to fundamentally change how cancer is treated. Until now, dynein has never been caught in the business of providing the mechanical force for cancer cell motility, which is their ability to move themselves. Now we can see that if you target dynein, you can effectively stop motility of those cells and therefore stop metastatic dissemination. The researchers used live microscopy to watch the migration of live breast cancer cells in two different systems modeled after the human body. The first system, a two-dimensional network of collagen fibers, revealed how cancer cells move through an extracellular matrix that surrounds tumors and showed that dynein was key to the movement of cancer cells. The second system was designed to mimic soft tissue using a network of microscopic hydrogel particles or microgels linked together in tumor-like shapes like in a two-dimensional model. The researchers found in three-dimensional model that dynein was indispensable in the spread or metastasis of cancer cells. Using these three-dimensional models that partially mimic a tumor they discovered that if they block the dynein, the cancer cells cannot effectively move and infiltrate solid tumors. In both models they found that dynein is extremely important for cell locomotion, which suggests a whole new method for cancer management. Instead of killing the cancer cells with radiation or chemotherapy, they are showing how to paralyze them. And this is great news because you don't really have to kill the cells, which is a harsh approach that targets both cancerous and healthy cells. Instead, you just have to stop the cancer cells from moving. The scientific investigators and microbiologists explain that cell paralysis could be an effective treatment strategy for cancer compared to chemotherapeutic treatments because after surgical removal of the main tumor, it can prevent the cancer from spreading without damaging healthy tissues and cells. The trick with chemotherapy is to kill the cancer cells slightly faster than the rest of the body. Chemotherapy causes a lot of damage to the body's normal, healthy tissues while it is busy killing the cancer. If we instead contain the cancer, stopped it in its tracks, we can keep the healthy parts of the body healthy. The researchers noted that any potential clinical treatment is still far off, as they have yet to run human or animal trials. The researchers had filed multiple patents related to the team's platform and plans to use the technology to study a myriad of diseases, including other cancers. They are very excited about this collaboration with the researchers, and their laboratories are working closely on other projects. They think these platforms can one day enable personalized medicine and personalized treatment for cancer and hopefully many other diseases. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.